114, time for a story. 114, time for a story. Are you ready for a story called The Monkey and the Shark? Oh, yeah. Find these things in the pictures. Talk about what you think is happening. Okay? Well, what things are they? Heart. A heart is a 心脏. Ah. I heart you. Well, I heart you. Where is a heart in the story? I see one heart in the story. It's right here. Okay? Shark. Here's the shark. Here's the shark. Here's the shark. Here's a shark. Here's a shark. Here's a shark. Tree. A tree. A tree. A tree. I see a tree and I see a king. Okay, here's a king. This shark is the king. King is a 国王. And a monkey. Here you are, monkey man. All right, now that we've found everything, let's read the story. Stop the video, read the story, then come back, we'll listen to it, we'll talk about it. Now, time to listen.
The Monkey and the Shark. In Africa, there is a big coconut tree. It is next to the sea and a town. Every day, a monkey goes and eats its delicious coconuts. Every day, he gives some to a shark. One day, the shark says, "You are very nice to me. I would like to invite you to my house." "But I don't go in the sea," says the monkey. "No problem," says the shark. "Jump on my back." The shark swims away with the monkey.
All right, let's stop it there and talk about it. In Africa, do you know what Africa is? Africa is 非洲. In Africa, there is a big coconut tree, 椰子树. It is next to the sea and a town. A town is a 村镇, or like a 小的城市. So the tree is next to a town. Every day the monkey goes and eats the delicious, 太好吃, the coconuts. Every day he gives some to the shark. 他把 coconut 给 the shark. One day, 有一天, the shark says, "You are very nice to me. 你对我很好，很善良. I would like to invite you to my house. 我很想要邀请你过来我的家. But I don't go in the sea. 但是我不进去大海, says the monkey. No problem. 没问题, says the shark. Jump on my back. 跳在我的背上. Okay, the monkey goes on the shark's back, and the shark swims away with the monkey. Shark 游走了, monkey 在它上面. Okay, everything is happy. Everything is good.
At home, our king is very ill,
The shark says.
He needs a monkey's heart to make him well.
The monkey thinks for a moment. "Oh, no," he says. "I haven't got my heart with me. When I go out, I put my heart in the tree."
No problem,
says the shark.
Let's go back and get it.
Okay. At home, our king is very ill. 我们的国王是很生病. He's very ill, the shark says. He needs a monkey's heart to make him well. 他需要一个 monkey 的心脏来让他好一点。他现在生病，什么可以让他不生病？一个 monkey's heart. The monkey thinks for a moment. Monkey 想一下. Monkey 想了又想了. Oh no, he says. I haven't got my heart with me. When I go out, I put my heart in the tree. 天啊，他说，我的身上没有我的心脏。我出去的时候，我把我的心脏放在书里面。No problem. 没问题, says the shark. Let's go back and get it. 那我们回去，然后拿它。That's gonna be...
They go back to the tree, and the monkey jumps off the shark's back. Wait here, says the monkey.
They go back to the tree. The monkey jumps off the shark's back. Wait here, Dung Zai Jilly, says the monkey.
The shark waits. And waits. And waits. And waits.
What are you doing?
The shark shouts.
Let's go!
No way! The monkey shouts back. You're not tricking me again. I need my heart. And he runs away, laughing.
Oh boy, the shark waits and waits and waits and waits. Ta dung, yo dung, yo dung, yo dung. What are you doing, ni ganma? The shark shouts. Ta hanje. Let's go. Ya, 我们走吧，我们走吧. No way. 不可能, the monkey shouts back. You're not tricking me again. 你不会再一次骗我吧? I need my heart. 我需要我的心脏. And he runs away laughing. Okay, so who is good and who is bad? The monkey is good. The shark is bad. The shark tried to trick the monkey. Shark 骗了 the monkey. The shark wanted to eat the monkey. Or actually, the shark wanted the king to eat the monkey's heart. Bad shark. This shark looks so happy and good, but he's actually bad. All right. Are the monkey and the shark friends at the beginning of the story? At the beginning of the story. Story 刚开始的时候. Are the monkey and the shark friends? Yeah. The monkey and the shark are friends. Because the monkey gives coconut to the shark, and the shark is happy. Number 2. Is the monkey's heart in the tree? Okay, the monkey said, when I go out, I put my heart in the tree. So is the monkey's heart in the tree? No, the monkey's heart is not in the tree. 他在骗这个 shark. 他说我出去的时候我把我的心脏放在书里面，但是怎么可能？这个不会发生。他只是骗 shark， 骗他带他回去。So he is tricking the shark. The monkey's heart is not in the tree. The monkey's heart is in his body. And number 3. Are the monkey and the shark friends at the end of the story? Beginning of the story, 一开始的时候他们就是 friends. At the end 呢? What about at the end? 到了最后. No, they are not friends. At the end, the shark is angry. The monkey is happy and they are not friends. Do you think the monkey will give the shark coconut in the future? 未来的时候, do you think they will play together? I don't think so. All right. Let's go to the next page. Complete the questions, then look at the first picture in Activity 2 and match. Where are the sunglasses? Okay, wait, hold on. All right, so what we need to do is 按照这个 picture 去写对的答案。所以 Oh, actually, yeah. Where are the sunglasses? All right. 什么 color is the ball? How many color, what color, which color, or who color? Stop the video, do it yourself, then come back. Are you back? Good. What color is the ball? 3. Is wearing a dress. 正在穿一个 dress. I think it's who. 谁在穿 dress? Who? People are there. People are there. Which people are there or how many people are there? I think it's how many. How many people are there? And last of all, child is taking photos. There's only one. It's which child? 哪一个? Which 的意思是哪一个? All right. Now, 按照这个图片去回答. All right. Where are the glasses? Where are the sunglasses? Oh, my big fat body is blocking it. Where are the sunglasses? They are on the sand. What color is the ball? Black and white. Who is wearing a dress? 谁在穿一个 dress? The girl with the brown hair or the boy? The boy's not wearing a dress. He's a boy. The girl with the brown hair is wearing the dress. How many people are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Just kidding. Oh, wait. Oh, 4. I thought the bird was a person for a second. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 people. And which child is taking photos? 哪一个孩子正在拍照片？就是 the boy. All right. We did it. Next is look at the pictures and read the questions, then write one-word answers. 写一个单词的答案. Example. Where are the children? At the 什么? Okay. Where are the children? 孩子们在哪里? At the beach. 在沙滩上. Now, what is the man doing? He is the man. This is a boy, this is a girl, this is a girl, this is a man. What's he doing? Yeah, he's fishing. And what has the man got? What has he got? What does he have? He has got a boot. A boot. That's not a fish, that's a boot. Oh, by golly. All right, now what's going on the next page? Make a holiday photo album. Okay, let's see. This is me and my family. We're at the beach. I'm going to have you do this as a homework. So right now we are not going to do that. Instead, we're going to call it a day. And okay, we still got one more class. I was going to say this might be the last class ever. But it's not. All right, bye.